So, hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be installing this on my bike. This is the Nexus gear headlight grill. I'll try and show you how I install this on this bike. So stay tuned. So before we begin, let's just unpack this thing. This is really well made. That is the first impression of this. It comes with these two brackets, the two of them inside. Yeah, that's it. This looks really well made. I like this design. So let's install this. So for most part, I'm going to be using this toolkit. This was This is how the bike looks. Looks good, isn't it? So yeah, that's it people. It did take some hard work to do this. But yeah, the result is quite good. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and drop a thumbs up. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow this ID. There is an underscore that just has swept away, and there isn't the space. Yeah, the sticker guys did a stupid job. So yeah, thank you for watching this. Goodbye.